Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Apple ID verification failed on iPhone. For performing some events on your iPhone successfully, it will require you to enter your Apple ID's password, such as signing out from the iPhone, downloading and installing any application on the iPhone, etc. After entering the Apple ID password, many iPhone users have received an error message on their iPhones that says verification failed. There was a problem connecting to the server. In this video, you will learn how to fix this error message and successfully verify the Apple ID. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, you should check the internet connection. In order to verify the Apple ID password on the iPhone, it needs to have a strong internet connection on your iPhone. So check whether you have a good internet connection by restarting the Wi-Fi or switch to the mobile data. You can also check if the VPN is connected. You should disable it if connected. And the next step is update the iOS software. When the iOS software on the iPhone is not updated for some reason, it might be the cause why you are facing such error message. So we suggest you update the iOS software to the latest version. For this, go to the settings page, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available and tap on download and install the latest iOS version of your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is force restart the iPhone device. Several things happen within the iPhone if the user uses it carefree. If some internal minor issue occur on the iPhone, this can be completely cleared by simply force restarting the iPhone. For this, you just have to press on the volume up button, volume down button and then the power button, and then drag to the right side to turn it off. After some time, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is set the correct date and time on your iPhone. You should first open the settings page on your iPhone, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on date and time option. You should now enable the set automatically options toggle button by clicking on it and you are done. And the next step is change the Apple ID password. For this, you need to launch the settings app. After the settings page open, select the profile name at the top. After the Apple ID page opens, tap on the password and security option. Click on the change password option and follow the on-screen instruction to update the Apple ID password. After you have successfully changed the password, try again and see whether you have receiving the error message or not and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings on the iPhone. Sometimes due to the internal changes done to the network settings on the iPhone, such error messages tend to occur and these things are very difficult to find out. So the solution to this would be performing the reset network settings on the iPhone. Try doing this method and this should resolve the issue. For this, you just need to go to the settings page, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Here tap on the reset option. Now tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions. In spite of resetting the network settings, if you are still facing this problem on your iPhone, you can try resetting all settings on the iPhone and you are done. And the next step is remove unnecessary devices from your iPhone. For this, go to the settings app, tap on it and select the profile name at the top. Now let it load all the devices on the Apple ID page. After it loads, scroll down the Apple ID page to the bottom. You should now remove those devices from the list of devices that are not needed anymore. To do that, simply tap on it and click on remove from account at the bottom and you are done. I hope this solution will help you to fix Apple ID verification failed on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.